Well, the old service truck here, she's running better and better by the day. I'm actually surprised. This thing had a noticeable, like, it just woke up one day and started to run better. So I figured we'd actually give her the old rev and dump tune-up here with the old Seafoam. So first thing you're going to want to do is, start the engine, probably let it warm up. It's been kind of cold and dreary around here. So, really want to give her a good moment to warm up, get them pistons moving, the oil and all that. So this thing's just a peach. Like I said, it just runs better and better every day. Like, the horn doesn't work, but the truck runs better all the time, and it just surprises me. So we'll let her run for a minute. I think I've got one of these used to be a high idle. Well, they aren't anymore, so that's a shame, but anyhow, we'll just let this thing warm up for a few minutes, and then we'll give her the old sauce. Now, I know it sounds like the old service binder's running fairly all right, but in all reality, I can smell raw fuel really bad back here. Always have been able to. This thing has always it's been on and off whether or not the thing runs all right. That tire looks like it's going flat too, so that's not cool. Oh well. Now, this little girl has the rare easy access carburetor modification where there's no air filter, so the carburetor is easy access. So now we're just going to want to find a way to give her the beans and give her that while I also hold the camera. So y'all are just going to have to wait a moment while I figure all that out. Well, that's about, whoa, look at the saturation on that. Holy mackerel. Dang old camera just went AWOL, holy cow. Well, we dumped about half of that in. We're gonna dump the other half in the fuel tank. There's only a couple gallons in here, so it'll get a pretty rich dose of the old Seafoam here. Well, what little bit I can actually get into the fuel tank, that is. There we go. And then you just take this guy and, you know, problem solved. And she's running exactly the same, which, you know, if you can't make it better, at least keep it consistent. Thanks for watching.